gotta go off. You gotta put the ducky lid down, kiddo. Do you want to see pictures? Of course you do. There, can you put the duck lid down?
I sit down.
You want to sit down there? Okay. Why don't you put the duck lid down?
Cheese.
Would you say cheese? Yeah?
Wow. Want to see pictures?
You want to see the pictures?
Yeah.
I thought we were going to take a bath.
Want to see pictures?
Oh, let's take a bath instead. What do you say?
Cheese.
Cheese. Let's take the bath.
Pictures.
Oh, I know you do.